talk to me, like what types of content are you providing for your customers so that they can access it 24/7 and be more educated?
We have a content strategist who does a great job every single week of writing a blog post for our blog, The Automationist. And those topics range from installation to education about industry challenges to new things that are happening at our organization. And that's something that a user can get anytime they want. They can go to our website, they can look for product benefits, product specs, they can read about our offerings. We recently added 3D models to our website that a user can click on. They can look at the hotspots and see important information about our products. Just trying to make it so they have as much access as they can. In addition to that, we have our online configurator that a user can go enter some parameters, see the viable Stover solutions, configure it. Once they've configured it, they can download drawings, they can request a quote, they can save it to their profile and come back to it later if they need to. And they can do that no matter what. We also have a lot of information around videos. So we have videos covering things from industry challenges to product releases to installation. We want to try and make it as simple as possible for a customer to not only pick Stover, but also install it once they've received their unit. It's great to have an instruction sheet, but I think we've all personally benefited from being able to watch a video where you can see how to put it together, how to install it, how to make sure it's done correctly. Because when you're reading it on paper, it's just not real enough sometimes to clearly understand what you need to do.
Yeah, totally. And are you finding a certain type of buyer? Is it the engineer? Is it, somebody, different department executives? What type of people are looking for your self-service content? Do you know, or do you think?
It's really around the mechanical and electrical engineers. They're looking at what information is out there. Can they get their drawings to see if it fits in their machine? Can they put it in their machine design and make sure it works in the envelope of space that they have? So that's really who we're targeting with a lot of this material. Of course, we do have material for other audiences, but most of our tool users are falling in that engineering area.
That's good. And that's so important to know, who your ideal customers are from a company perspective, and then who are the decision makers, the influencers to those decision makers, and who are your kind of buyers, and what do they need? Because obviously, an engineer needs different things than a CEO or, other type of executive. And so, I just like that you know who you're targeting for this content that you're creating.